at Saratoga Springs. When you come in, you've got these lovely little coat hangers just on the wall, and then as you walk further in, you've got a little kitchenette. So you've got some storage space up at the top, then you've got a microwave, kitchen roll, an ice bucket, you've got a toaster, a kettle, sink. This here is a fridge. I think there is actually a bit of a freezer space at the top, and you've got more cupboards here underneath the sink. You also have Alistair, who's hiding our full-length mirror. Hi. And then here you've got like a sink unit, which has got a mirror again. The sink has got extra toilet rolls and Kleenex. It's also got some H2O products. We always love those. And then this goes into the toilet and bath and shower. So nice and clean. So it's a sliding door shower. We have 2 shower heads here. And then you've got the bath, and you've got more Disney products, towels, everything as you would want it. And there's also hanging space on the back of the door. And then in this little cupboard, you've got the safe, you've got the iron and ironing board, extra pillows, plenty of hanging space. There's also a vacuum cleaner. So you've got lots of space there. This cupboard is locked. Hi again. And then this is into the main bedroom. So we have a really nice mirror on the wall, and then this little like footstooly kind of bench. This is the massive bed, which is really cute. Really nice little artwork to decorate. 2 little lamps and bedside table and the phones. On the lamps, you've got USB charging points and regular plug charging points. And then you have our little seating sort of lounge area with a nice little sofa, a coffee kind of table, and then you've got loads of drawer space. Beautiful welcome message. We've got Hey Disney. Hey Disney, is it gonna rain today? Hey Disney, will it rain today? Hey Disney here does not want to play with us. It usually does. And then we have a balcony, and we're on the ground floor, so we have 2 seats and a little table and a really nice kind of lake view. Our room is really well positioned. It's right near the reception area. Alistair's just kindly opening the door for us so we can go out. But the reception area is basically directly behind us, so we have a really nice view, but we're really well located to all of the amenities. Welcome to Saratoga Springs. Welcome home. So when I was talking earlier about our lounge area, I hadn't realised that the sofa here with Alistair to kindly demonstrate is our second pull down bed. So you just basically take the handles, it pulls down, the sofa collapses, and as if by magic, you get a second bed, and it's all beautifully themed Saratoga Springs with a hidden Mickey, which we love. Is that lighting up? There was a light there. Alistair flicked it, didn't do anything. The ones at All Stars light up, so maybe there's just another switch somewhere. So you end up basically then with 2 beds